everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazmine and today I'm going to show you guys what I got in this month's Trunk Club box. So the first item that I got is from Halogen and it is this very bright white kind of turtleneck top. I like the style of this type of top. I honestly would not get this because it is very white. It is pretty see-through, which I sometimes mind, sometimes don't mind, because of course I could just wear like a cami or a tank top underneath it, like with all my other tops that I have that are white and see-through. Like this is whiter than all my white tops that I have in my closet. But I like the style of the neckline just because it's like a mock turtleneck and I like a actual turtleneck. And I like the length of the sleeves too. It's pretty nice. It's a nice top that I would actually wear to work if it wasn't this color. So I'm going to send this back so someone else can grab you, snatch you up, wear you, and slay in it. Alright, so the next item that I got is some jeans. These are from LEVI'S and this is the Mile High Super Skinny Jeans. And the size is 25. Okay. A lot of the boxes in the past, I've had to come to the harsh reality that I cannot fit a 25 anymore. Your girl gained some weight. So me trying to fit into this was extremely difficult. Like, I felt like my whole entire, oh, this was made in San Francisco? Like, this felt like my whole lower half was suffocating. And it's just, it was uncomfortable. But it was pretty cute though. Okay, so the next item that I got is from Lulus, which is really interesting because I didn't know that Nordstrom started selling Lulus. So it is this off-the-shoulders bodysuit. I really like, because I love off-the-shoulders, like tops and dresses. So when I seen that I was getting this, I was pretty excited. I do like the button detailing. These are sewed in so that you can't actually unbutton this. And also this is an extra small and it's pretty tight on me if I wear it as an actual bodysuit, but if I don't button the bottom then it fits me fine. So I'm conflicted on that because if I get a small then it might be like a little bit loose around here because it doesn't have like the gel lining like some of my other off-the-shoulder tops have, which I really like. So I'm conflicted. I don't know if I want to keep this or if I want to send it back. Okay, so the next thing that I got is a skirt and this is from Topshop. I like how it's corduroy. I love corduroy and this is some good quality one. I do like the color of this. This is like a very rusty red with an orange undertone. So it has a belt and I believe you can actually remove the belt, which is really nice. So if you don't want the belt buckles, you can remove it, which is really nice. The zipper in the front actually does unzip, so it is easy access, as some people like to call it. I don't know, I'm very picky about the skirts that I wear, and this skirt, I'm just not feeling it at all, but I do really like the corduroy. Okay, so next item that I got is from All in Favor, and it's this floral pink dress, and I am extremely conflicted about this top. So I absolutely love the color, I love the floral on this, but my parents said that this looks like this will be for like a little kid, and I kind of agree because this doesn't look right on me. I also don't like the detailing at the top right here because it's like stitched right here where your stomach will be, and it's like this extra fabric right here that I just do not like at all. I do like the detailing right here around the breast area and of course the ruffles at the top. I feel like I would like this a little bit more had they fixed the middle part right here and it feels off the shoulders. Then I'll probably deal with it, and if it was probably a little bit shorter, you know, I gotta show off the legs. Okay, so the next item that I got is some army joggers from Affirm. So this is a size 26, which is nice, but it is pretty wide around my waist area, but it fits me really good around like everywhere else. I love how dark the camouflage pattern is. it does have zippers at the end of the pants, which is really nice. Because my Adidas sweats has this, and it's really convenient sometimes. I do like how the end of the pants have the elastic like on sweats. So the next item is this dress from SNDYS. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm just spelling it out. And it is this white dress, and I have a lot of questions. So first off, the material of this is very interesting. I don't know what material this is. Very stiff. It's not that see-through, which is nice for like a white dress, but it is very stiff. It has 3 pockets. The belt can be removed because it actually didn't come with the belt, and I thought that maybe they forgot to send it to me, but it came in a separate bag, which was weird. Yeah, the zipper does go all the way down, so it is indeed easy access, okay? And yeah, so I have no idea what I will wear this to, so I'm definitely not keeping this at all, but it is a very interesting dress, I would say. Very different, unique. So the next item that I got is from Free People. Oh my gosh. And it's this white off-the-shoulder top, and it's very stretchy. It is very tight on me though, but it's still stretchy. This is very see-through. It is cute, but it's not really worth the keeping in my opinion, because I already have a white off-the-shoulder top. It's not this see-through. It's not this tight on me either. And the last item that I got is a pair of shoes, and this is from SUPERGA. I believe these are platform shoes. I don't really know what style shoes these are, but I'm definitely returning this for multiple reasons. Main thing is that it's not my style, and also it is damaged, and I'm not paying for it. Damaged shoes. Okay, so that is all the items that I received. I might keep 2, I might keep none, and the reason why is because I'm not in love with it, you know. Like, I believe in love at first sight with clothes, okay? Like, if I see a clothing item and I instantly fall in love with it, I'm just gonna think about that item all day, all night, every single day until I have it. Yeah, but none of these items I really fell in love with. It wasn't a love on first sight type of thing. But I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!